Okay, I'm going to briefly go over what we're doing today. So, our agenda is to first start out with introductions, which we just did. And then we're going to go into a little Kahoot about updates and just hearing your feedback about the last week and how the homework was. Then, today's workshop is mostly focused on how to pace yourself throughout the test for each of the tests. So, whether you're taking the SAT or the ACT, we're going to provide a little bit of guidance on how to stay on time and stay on track.
So obviously, timing is a very important part of the SAT or ACT, just because obviously you have a limited amount of time to complete a lot of questions. So I'm going to start off by talking about timing and some strategies for managing timing on the reading section, because this is definitely one of the sections where people can struggle a bit with timing. And so kind of to recap what I just talked about. So first of all, you should definitely work at a pace that allows you to leave time at the end to go back to any questions you circled, review any passages you may have struggled a bit with, and just make sure you bubbled in all the questions. You don't want to be leaving questions blank. And for the SAT, you should spend about 12 minutes on each of the single passages, 14 on the paired passages. And for the ACT, you should be spending about 10 minutes per passage.
For most of the calculator sections, either SAT or ACT, you're gonna get around a minute per question. So the math no calculator section consists of 15 multiple choice questions and 5 written questions, 25 minutes. So this gives you, like I said, about a minute and 15 seconds per question. But a lot of people and a lot of websites, a lot of test prep programs recommend that you spend closer to 60 seconds on each question when possible. Obviously, you want to get through each question as quickly as you can, but a big thing is you don't want to sacrifice accuracy.
We do have homeworks to be turned in, and I will demo how to turn that in. I think that's all. If you have any additional questions, just reach out to us using my chat.